The story began in northern India when in 1980, the Sethia Group started manufacturing yarn and paper. Later in 2008, taking their legacy forward, they ventured into high-quality terry towels, and thus was born TC Terrytex Limited. As one of the leading manufacturers of terry towels in India, TCTL's state-of-the-art factory has latest machinery with 150 looms, out of which 35 are jacquard. They have one of the largest yarn dyeing units in India, enabling the manufacturing of fashion towels and superior beach towels in record time. TC Terrytex Limited has a wide variety of product categories and specifications that can cater to a large group of clientele. Adopting flexibility, the company also caters to low MOQs. The all-comprehensive manufacturing process ensures that everything is carried out under one roof.
All marketing, production, everybody sitting under one roof, which enables us to take faster and quicker decisions on the spot.
Cutting-edge machinery, which is 50% fully automated, ensures quality work each time, every time. But what differentiates TCTL from the rest is an unwavering commitment to sustainability. Producing 100% electricity in-house, the various efforts to reduce one's carbon footprint contribute towards a greener and healthier future. With the determination to keep excelling, the company boasts an extensive and worldwide client base that is testimony to their quality work. The management is conscious about empowering women and uplifting them in more ways than one. For everything that TCTL stands for, the company has been honored with a multitude of prestigious industry accolades. The company is audited and compliant socially as well as environmentally by various clients and retailers across the world.
Next 5 to 15 years, the company should, I think, double the size. Today we are at about, in terms of tonnage, we are dispatching about 900 tons a month. So I think it would be around 1500 to 1800 tons a month.
At inception, the annual turnover of the company was $1 million USD. Today, it is USD 100 million. In the forthcoming years, TCTL plans to install a new boiler with a high-capacity turbine to produce power and also begin a new project of towel printing. They promise a substantial expansion, leaving an indelible impression by continuing to adopt the principles of sincerity, hard work, and commitment to excellence. TC Terrytex Limited. We commit, aspire, and grow.